One day I bumped into this big shot TV guy I know. He said, I'm really desperate, would you like to host a show? I says, I'm kinda busy here, saving the world from crime. But if the money's right, then buddy, show me where to sign.
Show him where to sign.
I knew I'd need some co-hosts, or I would surely fail. I remembered I had Brack and Zorak locked up in my jail.
Hello.
I told them all about the show, they were happy as can be.
Yeah, right.
The show is Cartoon Planet, and the rest is history.
Re.
Cartoon Planet starring me.
And me.